Okay, so step number 1, like what you mentioned, you need to draw them without modular sign. And because all of you still remember how to do complete a square, the first step is to factorize the minus out. So let's start. Second step is to change the middle term into 2 bracket, if you still remember. Or, I forgot when set 3 how did I teach you. Or I say add half the coefficient of this. Did I say that? I use that method. Okay. Add half the coefficient of this. So it becomes x squared minus 2x. I use another color for adding half of it. Square minus half of it. Then I minus 3. Third step, I combine the first 3 terms and I write it as completing the square form. And the last 2 terms, I will press my calculator with the minus. Why 2 over 2? Because this is 2, the coefficient is 2. I add half the 2. So I add a 1 actually. Add a 1 square minus a 1 square and then I copy the negative 3. This part here I actually press calculator. So it's minus 1 minus 3 minus 4. Now lastly, very quickly, I expand the minus out. I will have this. Done, 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 done. Okay. With this, and I know that you know how to draw completing the square form. You also remember SILT? Okay, S stands for shape. So this is a minus x squared. This is a set face. I is intercept. Intercept, how do I find intercept? I let x equal to 0. So I write down. So S, this is a negative x squared. This is a U-shaped curve. I is the intercept. I will find, let x equals to 0. Y equals to 3. Now, what about I also want to find the x-intercept because I want to know the 2 special points. How to find x-intercept? I let y equal to 0. So I let y equal to 0. And x minus 1 equals to plus minus 2. X equals to 3 or x equals to minus 1. So from here this is 0, 3. From here this is 3, 0. This is minus 1, 0. Now you say, too fast, too fast. Take down first. Use the what? Can. You can use calculator. Use your calculator, calculate. Yeah. From the start, Oh, you mean you didn't even try to calculate you didn't even complete the square? Okay, Pooja got a play sheet, got a shortcut method. Don't even need to calculate the complete the square. By finding the y-intercept and the x-intercept, you know it's a set curve, right? With these 3 points, are you able to draw the curve? Actually, you can. But you still need the L. L stands for what? Line of symmetry. What is the line of symmetry? Center of these 2 numbers, so it will be what? It will be 1. So x equals to 1. Let's try. T stands for turning point. What's the turning point? the place where the point turn naturally will need to be 1 something. And if it's 1 something, how do I find that something? I sub back into the equation. So it is 4. Quite painful. Why 1 comma 4? 1 is the point where it will turn. So 1 is the line of symmetry. So 1 is here. How do I get 4? I put 1 inside. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 square, 0, 4. So this is 4. Okay? Now, with all these points, let's try and plot the points. If you all want the rough or not, no need. Let's draw the actual one straight away. Let's try and draw the actual one straight away. Can you help me plot these points in? What points? 0, 3, 3, 0, negative 1, 0, and 1, 4. And the line of symmetry. So you plot, I plot, we compare. Let's start. X equals 1, right? Line of symmetry. 1 comma 4, right? 1 comma 4. Three comma 0 somewhere here. Negative 1 somewhere here. Do you have this? Do you see the curve already? Yes, right? It's an N-shaped curve. It's an N-shaped curve. Now, earlier on, I forgot to write the endpoint. So it become very ugly. Right now, we try and calculate the endpoint. What is endpoint? Did they give us domain? Domain says what? Okay, so let's calculate endpoint. Oh. Endpoint is easier. Let me explain. Okay, let me recall. Recall means let me take back. I take back my own words. I eat my own words. Now, earlier on I said the endpoint you need to see which graph, right? And then it gets so confusing because I don't know which graph is the original, which graph is the negative. The good thing is, if I only draw the original graph, which is y equal negative x squared plus 2x plus 3, this was the original graph, right? I can calculate the endpoint easily. Now, what do I mean? Tell me the domain that the question gives. What is the domain? Negative 2 and 4. So I know that my domain is, Davis. What do I need to do to this domain so that I can calculate my endpoint? When x equal negative 2. So let's start. When x equals negative 2, Darren, tell me the value of y. When x equals to 4, Pooja, tell me the value of y. Negative? Negative 5. Darren? 3 or negative 3? Negative 3. Really? Correct? Okay? Let me check. With these 2 points, let's try and plot the endpoint. Where is it? Negative 2, negative 3. Negative 2, negative 3. Somewhere here. This is much easier. One more, 4, negative 5. Are you ready? Can I move up? I want to show you the graph. These two, any problem? No. I move up a bit, can? Done? Done. Okay, I move up a bit. Now look at all these points. All together I got 5 points. I got end point, intercept, turning point, intercept, end point. Can I draw a graph? Can I draw a graph. Now, draw a graph with pencil. Let's do together. Draw a graph with pencil. Later you can darken it. Okay, now tell me, important. Now tell me, which one must I, wrong. Hey, this is negative 5 or negative 3? Try leh. Okay, now let's look at the endpoint again. Now, look at this endpoint. Based on this equation, I don't even consider the modulus sign. I only consider the original equation. So original equation, if I put negative 2 in, is it 5 or negative 3? Negative 5. So this is negative 5. Okay. Let's start now. The range. Wait. Okay. We are not done yet. This is not the final answer. This is just the original graph. Do I have the modulus? Yes. So modulus, which one must I flip? So this modulus negative must flip up. This one must flip up. So take an eraser. Help me erase this one. Change to dotted line. So I darken it with dotted line. And then I want to flip up. Mark across. Okay, I use pen so that it's easier. For you, use pencil. Does it look like a W to you? Potato. Like I say, I darken with a pencil, a pen for you. Over here, you want to label the equation with the modulus. Okay, I want you to compare my graph and your graph. I want to show you the wrong one, and make sure yours is not wrong. I will come to you and mark as well. Now let me show you, this is correct. Now what is wrong? Okay, this is wrong. So when you reflect, it must not look like the sine curve. This one must be the other way. This, if I call it convex, then it must be concave. I repeat, this one is the one that is wrong, so it must be. Yeah, it must be. You see, because it's like that. So when I reflect up, it's like that. So you cannot draw it this way. So this is wrong. Okay. Later I walk around and check. But last one, I have already sketched. Done. I get 4 marks. 5th mark. Hence, write the range of the y. Look at this. What is the minimum value of y? 0. This is negative 2, negative 5. This is 4. No more negative. This is a plus. So the smallest value of y is 0. What is the biggest? 5. So how do you write your answer?
To write equals 5 or more, equals or more than to 5.
The range, you must write it as an inequality. So how do you write? Y. Which one? Do I put 0 on the left or? 0. Here? 5. Okay, I pause the video here.